Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Special masarap bangus sardines. Hugasan natin ng mahiging ating bangus at ibabad natin ito ng tubig na may asin. Set aside lang muna for about 20 minutes para matanggal ang lansa ng ating fish bangus. In a pressure cooker ay mag-arrange tayo ng ating slice of carrots. May decide yung ating carrots, bawang, bay leaf at yung napapad natin na bangus. I-add na rin natin guys, i-arrange natin. Mag-add pa tayo ng ating bawang at green chili. Carrots uli, maglagay tayo sa top ng ating bangus, bay leaf, so yung pamintang buo, and salt and pepper to taste. I-arrange natin ng mabuti ang ating mga ingredients para maganda tingnan and enjoy cooking. Yung ating olives, i-add na rin natin. Pwede rin yung green olives, pickle release, at syempre yung ating olive oil. Mag-add tayo ng 1.5 cup of water. Takpan natin ang ating pressure cooker at lutuin natin ito sa pinakamahinang apoy. Meron pa tayong slice of mango. Ang sarap ng ating mango guys para sa ating appetizer with meron pa itong kasamang bagoong. Luto na, ready to serve ang ating super yummy special bangus sardines. Napakasarap nito, tingin pa lang guys ay matatakam na tayo. Mag-ready tayo ng magandang lagayan at i-transfer natin ang ating masarap na bangus. Gumawa pa tayo ng ating hot drinks, masarap na onion tea with fresh mint, slice of onion, yung tea seeds, 5 parasong cloves at mint leaves. Ready to serve na guys ang ating masarap, healthy and yummy fall breakfast for main dish yung ating special bangus sardines. Napakasarap nito. Ang ating appetizer, slice of mango. Super yummy ito with bagoong. Kaluluto lang guys natin ng ating bagoong. Smoothie for cold drinks, smoothie fruits and vegetable. Mango floats for our desserts. Ang sarap ng ating mango float guys. Hot drinks, yung ating onion tea with fresh mint. Meron pa tayong pineapple juice in can. Soft drinks and water. Kain tayo guys. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Masarap ang ating food para sa ating breakfast. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.